kiddos, let's start right away by talking about our target. I can identify patterns in multiplication and division equations. I will show this by writing about the multiplication table. All right, let's break it down like a mathematician. I can identify, or hopefully you said find, patterns. Now we know patterns can be as simple as red, blue, or it can be something like, oh, all of these answers are even, all of these are odd. Okay, so you're looking for patterns in multiplication and division equations, and I've said it a million times, I'll say it a million more. The word equation is just a fancy word for math, sentences. I will show this by, so this is exactly what you're going to do today to show me you're successful. Writing about the multiplication table. The multiplication table is this fun little page right here. Oh, that was just a little sneak peek into what you're going to see a little bit later. All right, so this is what you're going to work on today. Watch the next video to get a little rundown on exactly what you need to have done and turned in to be successful and to get all of your points today.